To remove stickers from your iPhone keyboard, start by opening the settings on your device. Scroll down and select General. Then scroll down again and choose Keyboard, which is located under Date and Time. Once you're in the keyboard settings, scroll all the way to the bottom and toggle off the Memoji Stickers option. After doing this, you may still see the stickers when you open your keyboard. To completely remove them, try swiping away the last app you used with the keyboard. Then reopen it and check the Memoji Stickers section again. They should now be gone. This simple process should resolve the issue of annoying stickers automatically sending to people in text messages, which can be confusing. By following these steps, you can quickly and easily remove Memoji stickers from your iPhone keyboard.